Welcome. If you've ever found yourself accidentally replying to an old post on X, formerly known as Twitter, you know how awkward that can be, especially if the conversation is long over. Today, I'll show you a simple way to prevent anyone, including yourself, from replying to your older posts using the latest update on X for PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side menu and click on your profile. This will take you to your personal timeline, where you can see all the posts you've shared. Now, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to protect from future replies. Once you've located the post, look for the three dots icon. This is usually found at the top right corner of the post. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. From the menu, select the option labeled Change Who Can Reply. A new set of choices will appear. Here, choose only you. This setting ensures that no one else can reply to this post, effectively locking the conversation and preventing any new replies from being added. This feature is especially useful for posts that are outdated, sensitive, or simply no longer relevant. By limiting replies to yourself, you keep your timeline tidy and avoid the confusion that comes with reviving old discussions. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can control who can interact with your older posts and prevent unnecessary replies. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any post you want to secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who want to keep their X experience organized and stress-free. See you next time.